Hello everybody, welcome back with another video, and today I have a special guest here. What's her name?
Ariel.
Ariel. So, today, what are we going to learn about?
Animals.
Yeah, and what animals are we going to learn about?
Pig and a cow.
Yeah, we're going to learn about pig and a cow, basically farm animals. So, what do you like about pigs and cows?
They're very good and I like them so much about animals.
Yes, she does. And today we're going to learn more about them. So, let's get it. So, get into it. So, the first thing is if you work on a farm, you know that it is very, very hard to milk cows and milk goats. So, it's not as easy as you think if you're watching this video. And so, what's another fact you think you can say?
Hi everyone, it's me Ariel, and welcome to...
Oh shoot, sorry, but what's a fact you can tell them?
If you mind, I have a beautiful room, and you can say the sun is up.
What's a fact about the cows and pigs?
The fact that this cow and the pig, they actually lived at this farm for 20 days.
Yeah, so, they lived in farms, as you said, and you do not want to get next to a wild horse. They are not as fierce as you think. They will kill you. They will literally kill you. So, yeah, don't get next to a wild horse if you see one. You could see one, take pictures, great idea, but make sure to maintain your distance. Not like the virus we're having right now, but yeah, just maintain your distance. But yeah, another fact is, did you know you can make goat cheese with goat milk, and it's different than regular cheese. You probably know that, but just saying. All right, Lydia, it's the end of the video. What do you want to say to them?
Hey, a cow, a pig live in the farm for 20 days.
Yeah, they do, and she's right. But bye, everybody. Hope you have a good day, and say bye. Come on.
Bye.